In today's first reading, we heard Saint Paul tells Corinthians that he has come to them not with his own wisdom, but with the power and wisdom of the Holy Spirit. And because of that, he could bring thousands of people to Jesus. This is also true in the life of Saint Peter Faber. Peter Faber was born in the early 16th century in a poor farmer's family in France. His father could not afford him to send to a school because in those days in villages there were no schools. You had to hire a teacher or a priest to educate the children. But Peter was constantly pleading with his parents, and seeing that, his father sent him to the village priest for education. Later, he was sent to Paris University to do his master's degree. And in those days, priests didn't have much education. If they know to read and write, if they know the catechism of the church, that was enough. But Peter wanted to excel, so he goes to Paris. There he was a roommate of Francis Xavier, who too was also studying there in the University of Paris. Then he came to know Ignatius of Loyola and became his roommate. Since Peter was a good student, he was helping Ignatius to study philosophy, because Ignatius was a senior person.